These Skoal cans, I suspect, are going to make great homemade Tannerite exploding target canisters. We're getting ready to find out. Brother John's here. We're going to shoot this. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay,
I'm
ready?
going to shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ready?
Yep. Bam, bam! The two booms are killer, man. That was a Skoal can. It's a plastic Skoal can with a metal lid. And that works great. That's like a great size target. It's not outrageous. You know, I'm trying to,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I don't want to do anything dangerous. I just want to have fun. You know what I mean?
Fun to blow shit up.
I think maybe I should wrap it in tape because I don't think it all detonated.
Really?
Yep.
Is that unused powder?
Mm-hmm.
So it all gets away from it.
I should really, yeah, I should grind that ammonium nitrate into a powder too. It'd be intimately mixed. Still cool though.